Hola chicas. So first thing I say is good job on doing the present continuous. Estoy llamando the ANDO and INDO, so they look really good. We're nearly finished this capítulo, this chapter. So what we're just going to finish it off is we're just going to have a look at el reloj de las 24 horas, the 24-hour clock. So we've revised these guys here. They're all really good. So I just want to quickly look at the 24-hour clock just in case it would come up in a listing or something. Okay, so the book says here it's also important to be able to understand and express the 24-hour clock as is often used in Spanish speaking countries for official things such as trains and bus timetables, museum opening hours. As in English, you just say the actual numbers that we see. Look at how we see the departure time. So here, the first one we got here is el vuelo para Bogotá. So el vuelo here is the flight. Okay, el vuelo is the flight. Okay, so the flight para Bogotá sale, leaves a las 19:30. So it's leaving at 19 here is 19:30, 30. So normally the other way we've seen was like y media. We can skip that here. And here we're just saying the numbers as we see them. Okay, so next we've got here is vuelo. So the flight para Lima sale a las 19:50. So here we're having 19, so that's the equivalent of 7. 50 is 50. 19:50. Okay, so you don't have to do the menos or e. You just literally say the numbers as you see them. So here, okay. Next one we've got número 3. El vuelo para Quito sale a las 20:05. So this flight, so the flight for Quito leaves at 20 is 20, 0 is 0, 5 is 5. So let's say that, so that one's like, it's good. So here we have 20 is right, 0, 0, 5. So we would say 8:05, but on the 24-hour clock, you just say the numbers as you see them, okay? Next we got, el vuelo para Caracas sale a las 20:10. So this is going at 20, which is the equivalent of 8, 10, 10. So 10 past 8 or 20:10. El vuelo para Montevideo sale a las 22 horas. At 22, we know at 22 is 22. Horas is just used as 00. So all you're doing is you're just saying the numbers as you see them. So literally, as the numbers as you hear them, you see them. Okay, so there's no menos, there's no y, there's no y cuarto. So in many ways, it's mucho más fácil. It's a lot easier than going through, the e menos. So you have two ways now to have a look at the time. Okay. There are other ways that you can use them too, but this is probably lo más fácil. I'm going to attach another video that I found on YouTube, which is really useful for going through the time, and it shows you this way and another way, and it kind of summarizes days of the week and times in general. So I will send that on to you as well, okay, and you can have a look through it. That video that I'll send out to you, the bit about the 24-hour clock starts at 7 minutes. So the whole video is 10 minutes. I'd recommend you watching it because it's un repaso. It's good revision. So what I want you to do for these is just read through this bit here. It's on página 153, page 153. Have a look through this, okay? And what I'll get you to do is I will send out on the next page. What I want you to do on the next page is you can take a picture of this. If you just make sure the picture is nice and clear. I want you to write in. Sorry, I'll create a Google Doc for this. Right, I'll create a Google Doc. So what I want you to write in the times for these ones here, okay? So you got 1 at 10. So I want you to do 1 to 10. So write in these times. So the first one here will be so the first time here, if you're looking at it from the previous page here, so like we said, okay, Sally. So you're gonna start off with so you're gonna write down a las 11:23. So you're just literally writing, so 11 first, 23 next. Yeah, a las 11. So next one here is going to be 17:45. You're just writing the times as you see them, okay? So they're muy fácil. Like this one here is going to be 15:29. Really simple. Now just be careful. The one you've got to be careful of here is número 10. Number 10. So that is going to be 16. So 16 16. Now, remember, you have to say this 0 here. This 0 here, you have to say. So you have to say 16 07. So 1607. Okay. Here you can put down like next one we got here, like, you know, this one here is like you're just saying 12 12 or mediodía or 12 12. Here 14:55. So they're muy fácil. So they're all explained on this previous page here. So use this as a guide. But it's muy fácil. Muy fácil. So have a look, try those times, and I will send you out as well. I'll send you out this listening. So two things I want you to do is fill these on a Google Doc for me, these ones here, and I will send you out the listening to try on this. Is that okay? And you can, if you want to fill them in, send a picture of me of that, and I'll put this as a Google Doc. Okay. Muchas gracias, chicas.